welcome back to my channel. My name is Sayli. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I do videos on lifestyle, makeup and product reviews and also hauls. So today is one of the haul video, which is my favorite haul, which is makeup haul. So I'm going to share with you some of the products I bought from Nykaa, which are some makeup and some skincare related products. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. And I am also sharing some interesting stuff on Instagram. If you're not following me there, make sure you do follow. I'll put the link in the description bar, so do follow me on my Instagram. And now let's get started. So now we'll start with skincare products first, and the first product is this Jovees Papaya face wash, and this is how it looks. Now I came across this on Nykaa and I was really looking for a good face wash. I wanted to change my face wash since so long, and the papaya one I really liked papaya because my skin is oily and papaya makes my skin look more fresh and nice. I've used this couple of times and I am really loving this face wash. This has some thick consistency and it makes your skin so soft and glowing, and also it has some of the granules, as you can see inside the packet. It has the small granules, and because of that it exfoliates very gently, but it does exfoliate, and that's why your skin look very fresh and nice. So I really like this product. This retails for 175 rupees and I got this for 175 rupees only. There was no discount, and this is for all skin type, so you can definitely try this face wash. It has many other variants as well, but I like the papaya one. So the next product is this Vaadi Herbal Strawberry Lip Balm, and this is how it looks. So I have to change my lip balm. I am using Nivea since so long and I wanted something, and this was recommended by Shreya Jain. I saw in one of her video, so I bought this and I'm really happy with this product. This tiny bottle is very useful. It just makes your lips very smooth and supple. I am using this quite often, like every day. As you can see, I've used so much since I bought this. The day I am using this constantly and I really like it. So if you're, and this keeps your lips moisturized for a long time, which is a really good thing, and this is also very affordable. I think I got this for 45 rupees only. So if you want a good lip balm, do invest in this one. This is really nice. Now moving on to the makeup products, I got this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I got this in the shade 20 Sand. Now this concealer is really nice. I am using this since the day I got it. I used it for like 4 or 5 times. I'm just loving this concealer. It's non-greasy and it is the perfect shade for my skin type. I really like it. Doesn't budge. It just stays on the place for a very long time, and that's why I just like this concealer very much. If you're looking for a good concealer in a good price range, you should definitely try this one. This retails for 475 rupees, but I got this in discount in I think 385 rupees. I will put the exact prices in the description bar, so make sure you check that out as well. And this is really nice concealer, and if you have especially oily skin type or combination, then this will work like a miracle for you guys, because my skin is combination skin and my skin tend to grease, and this concealer when I apply it tends to grease from here. It looks very bad, but this gives a very nice and smooth finish. So if you're looking for a good concealer in a good price range, you should definitely try this out. So the next thing is my favorite one, that is nail paints, and these are the two I got, and these are from Faces Canada. Their collection is the Splash one, and this is the one as you can see on my nails. I really love this shade. You can also check on my Instagram for. So the first shade is the Floral Dream 56. This is how the shade looks. It's a very cute color. I really like this shade, and it just gives very smooth finish, and it just dries very quickly and stays for good 4 to 5 days in a single coat, but if you double coat it, it will stay longer. I really love this nail paints. This retail for 109 rupees, but I got this on discount I think 76 rupees or 78 rupees, and the offer was really nice. And so the next shade is this very cute lavender shade. Now I really like this shade. The shade name is Viola 41. So this is how it looks, and if you want to know the proper shade and how it looks on my nails, then make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I'll put some reels there as well, so you can check the proper shade. So after applying so much of nail paints, you obviously need a good nail paint remover, and I got this one. So this is from again Faces Canada, and I really like this. I've used it 1-2 times to remove my nail paint, and it just removes very quickly. It doesn't leave any stain of the nail paint, which is really nice, and it also doesn't make your nails dry, so which is a good thing. It retails for 100 rupees, which is a good thing because the quantity you are getting is really nice. So I think you should try this nail paint remover. It's really nice. Also the packaging is very cute. I really like this. Is a glass bottle and a cute white cap, but the only thing is that this is a glass bottle, so if you're traveling it will be little tricky to handle this one, but putting that aside, I really like this product. So after applying all this makeup, you obviously need a good makeup remover, and for that I got this Pond's Vitamin Micellar water. This is the one Brightening Rose. I really like this one. I'm very excited to try this product. I haven't tried this yet, so if you want to know the full review and demo on this product, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification bell, so whenever I will upload this video you will get notified. And I'm very excited to try this product. I got this for 125 rupees. The MRP is also 125 rupees, so there was no discount on this one. I'm very excited to try this one out, so let's see. So the last two products are this Lakme 925 Prime Plus Matte Lipsticks. So let me just open this and let's adorn the packaging of this. Look how cute it looks. This is in the rose gold packaging. I really love the packaging. It looks so beautiful and very luxurious for that matter. I just love the packaging. And the first shade I have is this Coral Date, and let me show you the shade first. So this is the shade. I just swatch it for you guys. The formulation is very creamy, so this is how the shade looks. As I was saying, the formulation is very creamy and very lightweight. You just don't feel like you have applied any lipstick. I really love the formulation. It just stays for a very good time, so I really like this one. Also it's very affordable. I got this, the MRP is 500 rupees, but I got this for only 299. So whenever you have sale on Nykaa, make sure you buy the products when it's on discount, so you can get a huge discount. It just stays, doesn't budge. The big thing is doesn't transfer that much. It slightly transfers but not that much. The formulation is very nice, you guys. As you can see, it's very creamy. It just glides on your lips, so I really like this one. The next shade I have is this. Okay, so the next shade I have is Rosy Lips. The packaging is same, and oh, this is such a beautiful pinky nude shade. I just like this so much. This is how the shade looks, guys. The shade is really good. It's like nude pinky shade. I was looking for this shade since so long, and I really love this shade. There are also so many shades, darker shades also. The range is very wide, so you can choose whichever color you want, and for this price range I think this is a really nice product. So this was my short and sweet Nykaa haul. I hope you found this helpful, and if you're looking for the full review of any of this product, let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely do a full proof review video for you guys. Also make subscribe to my channel and do follow in my Instagram. Also, if you are interested in cooking videos, make sure to check out my another cooking channel. I'll put the link in the description bar for you guys. And if you like this video, make sure to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.